Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope that you will enjoy this new creation. It is another dining room, and I know that you have seen recent dining rooms that I have created, but they're all different, and today I would like to share this one with you. Now, this is dinner for two, and I am using a tile. Look at the beauty of that tile. At the end of this video, I will remove all the pieces and you will see the real charm in this beautiful tile. As you can see, the settings are placed. We have the napkins, the forks, and the knives, and we have the champagne glasses. The champagne glasses are actually magnets, two transparent magnets. Then we have the wine bottle there, and we have a plant. The plant is actually the centerpiece of this table, but it was set aside because we needed space for everything else. So that is the beautiful table. Now, what I've been doing is I found my piece. The piece that I am using for this table is black, but it's the perfect piece to match up with the chairs. As you can see, the tabletop is higher than the seating, and that is the way it's supposed to be. In real life, you need space for the legs, for the person's legs, right? So you can pull it out and push it in. Pull it out and push it in with no problem. Now, I have other pieces here. I do have some lamps. These I've had in one of my doll houses, which I've had the same settings forever. So I finally took these out and placed them in here. They look pretty good. They are sitting on top of two boxes. Those two boxes are from games, card games. And then I have a little platter dish here. That's actually from a shower curtain hook. Now, I have a video out in which I shared that with you before. Then I have the plants from the Dollar Tree. I also have a ceramic bouquet of flowers. Look at this. And look at the colors of the tabletop. It matches so well. It's a little oversized. I wish it was smaller, but it works in this setting. And then I also have an encased case here with some birds, paper birds. So I figured this would be great in here. And I'm using decorative paper all around and on the floors. So now that you have seen, you haven't seen everything yet. So we have a light fixture here. This is from the Dollar Tree. And then back there, we have a clock. Look at that clock. I've had it in one of my doll houses, so you might have missed it before. And that's why I removed it from there and brought it here for you. So now, why don't we remove everything from that table so that you can really see the beauty of this tile. Let's remove everything here. Oops. Remember I told you that was a magnet? The champagne glass? That's proof right there. I have to do this like this because everything is so small and I don't want to knock anything down. Now you see my hand is trembling. It's not easy handling these little pieces sometimes. The magnet again. You see what I'm saying? This is proof. And you start seeing the charm on that tile. Look at that. I'm removing everything so that you can see. Oi, can I grab that plant? Okay. And one last piece. Let's see if I can grab everything at once. Nope, I still have a fork to grab. And that's it. Okay, that's exactly what I want. So this is what I wanted to show you. Look at this beautiful tabletop. Look at that. Isn't this beautiful? Well, to tell you the truth, I'm not sure if this is supposed to be a tile or a coaster. It could be either or. I'm not sure what was the real purpose of it. And I do have about 3 more of these, and I don't know where they are. But look at that. So if you find yourself any piece like this, any flat piece, squared, round, rectangular, they make great tabletops. Alright, let's place it back over here. And let's leave it alone. And that's it. That is it. I hope that you have enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.